Good morning, students. Today I am here to explain the fourth chapter of history in the earliest cities. In the previous chapter, we studied how the earliest people they became herders and farmers. Now, when they became herders and farmers, in that chapter we also studied that they started to stay at particular place. Even we studied about the Mehgad, one of the sites. In the present chapter, in the fourth chapter, we have to study about earliest cities. The earliest cities, how they were excavated, how they were found, which things were found from there, what type of systems they used. Such things we have to study in the fourth chapter. First, let's understand the first topic, the story of Harappa. When railway lines were being laid down for the first time in Punjab, during that time, engineers, they stumbled upon the site of Harappa. When the railway lines were being laid down for the first time in Punjab, doing this work, the engineers, they stumbled upon it means found coincidentally the site of Harappa, which is now in present day Pakistan. So the engineers, when they were working on the project of railway lines in Punjab, during that time they have found site of Harappa. As the archaeologists found the site and realized that was the oldest cities in the subcontinent. When engineers found the site of Harappa, the archaeologists started studying it, and then they realized that was the oldest cities in the subcontinent. And that is why in history we know the first urban civilization, that is Indus Valley civilization or Harappa civilization. Then, since this was the first city to be discovered, all the things found they were described as Harappan only. It was the first city found, so whatever things they were discovered, they were found from this city, they were considered, they were described as Harappan. These cities developed 4700 years ago. When the archaeologists studied the various aspects of this site, they came to know that these cities developed about 4700 years ago. Next topic, what was special about these sites? What was special about the earliest cities? That is our second topic. Division, the cities which were found, they were divided into two parts. First part, that is the citadel, and the second, that is the lower town. The citadel, it was located in the west. The citadel part, it was located in the west part, and this part, citadel area, it is smaller. It was smaller but higher. As this citadel, it was occupied by royal people. Whereas the second part, that is the lower town, it was located in the east part, in the east direction, and this part, it is larger but lower. Here the common people used to live. As the citadel, it is occupied by the royal people, so in citadel area, special buildings were constructed. Special buildings were constructed in first part, that is in west part, the citadel. For example, The Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro, that was an example of that special construction work. If you can see its image on page number 34 of our textbook. You can see the image of the bath of Mohenjo-daro given on page number 34. That was the special building constructed in Citadel area. Besides that, some cities like Mohenjo-daro and Mohenjo-daro and Lothal, they had elaborate storehouses. Archaeologists, they also discovered storehouses from Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal sites. Besides, other cities such as Kalibangan and Lothal, they had fire altars which were used for performing sacrifices. So this was about specialities of these sites. The speciality that the cities, they were divided into two parts, Citadel and the lower town. In Citadel, some special buildings were constructed. For example, the public bath of Mohenjo-daro. Besides that, from some sites, from some cities such as Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal, storehouses, they were discovered. From Kalibangan and Lothal, some altars, fire altars, they were discovered which were used to perform sacrifice. Next topic, houses, drains and streets of the earliest cities. The houses which were discovered from the earliest cities, they were having 1 or 2 stories, and these stories, they are high, with rooms built around a courtyard. From the earliest cities, the houses, they were discovered. These houses, they were of 1 or double story and having rooms built around a courtyard. These houses had a separate bathing area. There was separate bathing area in houses. Besides that, in some houses, wells were found, and these wells, they were used to supply water. Next comes about drains. Even drainage system was also discovered. This evidence suggests that the earliest people, those who used to stay in such cities, they were aware about their hygiene, and that is why they might develop drainage system. And most of the cities, they had covered drains, that drainage system, to dispose wastewater of the house. Those drains, they were laid out in straight lines with gentle slope. This drainage system, these drain pipes, they were laid out in a straight lines but with gentle slope, so that the water could be easily disposed out. Drains in houses, they were connected to those on the streets, and smaller drains laid into bigger ones. From the drains in houses, they were connected with large, bigger drains which were located on the streets, so that the water from the house, it would dispose in the large gutter, and from large gutter it would go out from the street. And inspection holes were provided at equal distance to clean them. See the creativity. The people used to stay in the earliest cities, they had also made inspection holes at equal distance. These inspection holes on drainage system at equal distance, they were used to clean the gutters, to clean the drains. The next topic, that is life in the city. The Harappan city was a very busy place. It means most people people, they were engaged in different occupations or in different activities. The rulers, they planned the construction of special buildings in the city, and for this purpose they sent people to distant places to get metals, precious stones and other things. The rulers, they planned to construct different buildings in the city, and for this purpose they sent people to distant places to get metals, precious stones and other materials. Besides that, there were scribes. Scribes, they were the people who made copies of written documents before the invention of printing. Even in earlier cities, there were scribes. They used to make copy of written documents before the invention of printing. Besides scribes, in the earlier cities, there were craftspersons. They used to make all kinds of things, either at their homes or in special workshops. So this topic, life in the city, suggested that the most people in the earlier cities, they were busy in different activities, in different occupations.